with a team like Mona, who's been doing the entire dubbing for this thing, and her team. And there's of course Shah Rukh, and there's Aryan, there's Abram also now, there's Sanjay Bhai,
Right.
and myself. We share a bond and a chemistry which is quite phenomenal on screen with Timon and Pumbaa doing it together. So yeah, I'm happy. मतलब आइडिया वो है कि लोग कहे कि अरे हिंदी में जाके देखो,
देखो
हिंदी में इन्होंने क्या किया है वो देखो.
मैंने उसको इतने छोटे में देखा हुआ है एंड नाउ हम उनके साथ काम कर रहे हैं, वो हमारे साथ काम कर रहे हैं. दैट्स गुड.
No, but I think we probably, it's the budgets that make the difference. So it's not that we don't have the talent or, the manpower to do it. Jai Viru, Karan Arjun,
और ढूंढा
Omi and Pappu.
They react to the visuals and then relationship. खेल खत्म.
Hello viewers, I'm Karen Pereira from the Times of India, and with me today is Shreya Satpade and Sanjay Mishra, the stars of the upcoming movie Mufasa,
Yeah.
The Lion King. Hello sir.
Hello sir.
How are you?
Good.
How are you?
I'm good. Sir, congratulations firstly on the success of Bhool Bhulaiya 3. How has the celebrations been going for you?
इट्स गुड ना कि एक फिल्म का सेलिब्रेशन ख़त्म हो नहीं रहा है कि दूसरा भी शुरू हो गया, तो वो बहुत अच्छा है लाइफ में कि सेलिब्रेशन इस फिल्म से अब सीधा इसका, तो वेरी नाइस सेलिब्रेशन. अप्रिसिएशन मिलता है एक्टर को, तो कलाकार को, तो दे लिफ्ट अप हो जाते हैं. मैं ज़्यादा तो नहीं भूल गया.
वो एकदम बिल्कुल सही जा रहे हैं.
And Shreya sir, well, on behalf of fans, sir, how are you? And especially since your heart attack, how has
I'm okay.
how
I'm
has
okay,
life
thank
been treating
God
you?
has been kind, so I'm a little okay now.
अरे मैंने सुना था यार, सॉरी, लेकिन सही में इसको देख के नहीं लग रहा मुझे आया होगा हार्ट अटैक. ये तो नॉर्मल है. अरे यार वेरी गुड. हाँ.
I'm okay. I'm a little okay. Thank you.
Okay, and sir, this is your first Disney movie since becoming a dad. Well, the
Second time.
previous, yeah,
That was in 2019.
yeah, and now 2024. So,
Yeah.
as a dad, how important is it for you to to take active part in these kids movies?
No, very important, especially once you become a parent, you suddenly certain things start changing, especially your to a certain extent your career decisions as well, because you want to do something which your kids can relate with, or your kids can feel proud about, or maybe even your kids can show off that, oh, my father's there in this film, So, so yeah, you want to be associated with especially a Disney film, because that has the maximum connect with kids. You want to be alive for those kids, for that generation, so that they relate with you in your other films as well. And what better than something like The Lion King or the Mufasa, The Lion King, wherein the stories or the characters are legendary now, not only iconic. So yes, I mean, I am very happy and proud to be associated with Disney on Mufasa, and with a team like Mona, who's been doing the entire dubbing for this thing, and her team. And there's of course Shah Rukh, and there's Aryan, there's Abram also now, there's Sanjay Bhai,
Right.
and myself. We share a bond and a chemistry which is quite phenomenal on screen with Timon and Pumbaa doing it together. So yeah, I'm happy.
Sanjay sir, since so many successes, so many movies, has anything changed from your professional point of view?
No, never.
No.
No. और होना भी नहीं चाहिए. बट ऐसी फिल्में जब बड़ी फिल्में, मतलब वर्ल्ड वाइड है यार ये मामला. पैन इंडिया से भी थोड़ा सा ऊपर है, वर्ल्ड वाइड है, और कैरेक्टर्स भी हिट हैं.
Yeah.
फिर आप ऐसी फिल्मों से जुड़ते हैं कि आपको इसको ऊपर लेके जाना है. मतलब लोग ये ना कहें कि वो बढ़िया था, ये इसने ख़राब कर दिया. अगर देखना है तो इंग्लिश में देखो, है पुम्बा और टिमोन का देखना, लेकिन हमें कोई रिग्रेट नहीं है, अच्छा हो रहा है, लोग पसंद कर रहे हैं, बस इतना ही चाहिए लाइफ में।
मतलब आइडिया वो है कि लोग कहे कि अरे हिंदी में जाके देखो,
देखो
हिंदी में इन्होंने क्या किया है वो
Yeah.
देखो। सो
इस बार मिलेगा ऐसा।
हाँ, तो पिछली बार भी हुआ था
Even
सर।
in,
हुआ था?
yeah,
हाँ, 100%।
2019, the
मैं
Hindi
उस दिन
fared
जल्दी
better.
सो गया।
पिछली बार का सिर्फ हिंदी का या हिंदी इंग्लिश का मिला के उनका बिजनेस वाज सम मोर देन 150 crores।
वाह,
सो और हिंदी का उसमें बहुत बड़ा हाथ था सर।
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड।
So, since you all have also dubbed for other movies, how is it different dubbing for this, English movie versus, sir, you've even dubbed
Yeah,
for Pushpa. So, how is it different working for, a South film to Hindi versus a Hollywood film to Hindi?
So, I mean, when you're dubbing for any other person as a character, it's a different thing altogether because he's saying his lines maybe in another language, but you can see his face, you can see his emotions and everything. Here is an animal.
bizarre,
Yeah.
coming.
So yeah, you have no. I mean, in his case, so even more bizarre because the eyes are clear. How do you see his emotions? So the thing is, it's quite difficult in that respect. But we try to follow the pilot track, which is the English track of what their lines are, what is it that they exactly want to say, and then we try to say it in our own language, in our own manner, and in a manner where our people will connect and relate with it.
Yes.
So that I think is the most difficult part. Otherwise, I think it's pretty fun.
Okay. So both of you all return as Timon and Pumbaa for this movie. What was your first, do you all recall your first voiceover stint? And how does Abram fare? Have you all heard his takes in this?
No, we haven't really heard Abram's thing yet.
अभी मैं जब भूल भुलैया देखने गया था, that time I saw the poster and there is a name for Abram. So very good यार, मैंने उसको इतने छोटे में देखा हुआ है and now हम उनके साथ काम कर रहे हैं, वो हमारे साथ काम कर रहे हैं, that's good.
So this time, this is a prequel, and it's not a remake of the animated classic. So how is it going into this film where there was no backup? This is the first of its kind.
See, we won't be able to tell you more about this because we cannot end up revealing the story of this.
Yes,
So, Timon and Pumbaa are there. I mean, you might say that Timon and Pumbaa meet Simba,
Simba.
who is Mufasa's son, and this
Yeah.
is a prequel. So, probably Simba is not yet born. So, how do Timon and Pumbaa feature in this one? But that's the whole fun part of
Fun
it.
part,
So, you will
yeah,
have to
yes.
see the film to
You can relate it.
understand, how Timon and Pumbaa are in this one as well.
And बाकी characters साथ में हैं.
Yeah, so there is
Rafiki
Rafiki and there is Zazu and obviously
Timon and
Mufasa.
Pumbaa.
But yeah,
So, and going by the clips that we've seen so far, Mufasa is visually magnificent. Where do you think Indian cinema is picking up in this line of cinema?
In this line of meaning.
Like
Animation.
you don't get to see such realistic animation.
Okay. That's why we are dubbing in, no? Because
no, but I think we probably it's the budgets that make the difference. So it's not that we don't have the talent or the manpower to do it, but probably the kind of budgets that they have is something which is humongous, and you need that kind of money to pull off something like this. So provided we also have that kind of budgets, yes, I mean we cannot take away the fact that the kind of vision that they have is huge, but then that is backed by the kind of budgets that they need. So, and like I mentioned earlier also, probably for all you know, there might be a lot of Indian animators working on this one, to make it look like this. So, not that we don't have that, but probably if we have the budgets, then
and vision.
and vision, so it's probably subjective. That people might say, boss, okay, we can think of something like this, but we don't have the money, so what's the point? Which is probably fair and true to a certain extent. But still, and where we've come from where we were, I think we've come a long way. And, there's a long way to go.
And sir, Timon and Pumbaa are like the best buddy duos. When you think of a Hindi movie, which duos are your Timon and Pumbaa in Bollywood?
Jaiveeru.
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 Okay.
Surely.
Yeah, the closest is
Maybe Karan Arjun.
Jaiveeru, Karan Arjun,
Or ढूंढ
Omi and Pappu.
And sir, how do you think the Indian audience will react to Mufasa? Do you hope that it will get the same love as The Lion King?
They react to the visuals and then relationship. खेल खत्म.
Yeah, I think the storytelling is such that there is no reason why people will not connect with it. So it's beautiful, and we are hoping that it gets the same amount of love and box office success that The Lion King got.
And सारे emotions हैं यार जो एक
Exactly. मतलब वो सारा जो
जनरेशन में होना चाहिए जिस इमोशंस की बात जनरेशन करती है कि you should do this, you should do.
And it's an inspirational film. It is a story of the underdog. It is technically from like we see from our orphan outsider to king. So the entire journey of Mufasa is what we see, and that is what is very inspiring and aspirational at the same time.
Okay. And sir, since you all have become like this power duo, will we see you reuniting again in possibly Golmaal? Is there a
तेरे मुंह में घी शक्कर
We
और
would
हाथ
love
में
to.
मीठी चाय.
No, we would love to, obviously. Provided our director, decides to do the film whenever. So we would obviously. Golmaal is something which is extremely close to our hearts, and we are like family.
घर की खेती.
Haan. So unless our director decides to kick some family members out, but we would still struggle, and we would make sure that it takes us in again.
डराता बहुत है यार तू.
Okay, that's it. Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you
Thank
for
you,
your
Karen.
time,
Thank you
and
so
can't
much.
wait to see
Thanks.
Mufasa.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Lovely speaking in.